Hi everyone, Miss Amy is here again with our News to You story for the week. Our News to You the story of the week is the COVID-19 vaccine. So if you remember, COVID is the reason why we have to wear all of our masks and use hand sanitizer, and actually it's probably the reason why we're at home right now too. Actually, it is the reason why Miss Amy's at home right now and that we're doing this all over the internet, school like this, okay? So this is really important information that we need to keep track of, okay? And apparently, we're going to learn about a vaccine that can help keep us safe from the virus. So we'll see. Let's see what it says, okay? COVID-19 vaccine. People around the world are getting sick, even in Helena. People are getting a disease from the coronavirus. People get really sick. Do you know anybody who's gotten sick from coronavirus? I do. It's really sad. I don't want them to be sick at all, huh? We want to feel good. The disease called COVID-19. Some scientists study COVID-19. Scientists do many experiments in labs. So they're experimenting on the coronavirus and what will help protect us from the disease of COVID-19. And this is very important work, right? We need to be protected. Scientists want to make a vaccine. A vaccine is a kind of medicine. That's what a vaccine is. It's a kind of medicine. People get a vaccine to prevent a disease. So we can get vaccines for measles, we can get vaccines for polio, and we also get our flu shots every year. Those are vaccines. Those help keep us safe from the flu, so that we don't get as sick if we do catch the flu. And the flu virus always runs pretty rampant in our city, right? Flu is, we have a whole season dedicated to the flu season. So I get my flu shot every year. Okay, scientists want to prevent COVID-19. Scientists hope to make a vaccine soon. They hope the vaccine prevents COVID-19. So if you take the vaccine that they develop, then hopefully you won't get COVID-19 if you get exposed. That's the idea of a vaccine. And if you do catch it, then maybe it won't be so bad. Yeah. Let's see what the rest of the story says. Oh, so then here's our recipe for the week. Oh, and looks like Miss Amy has everything in her kitchen to make this too. So maybe we'll do another recipe video this week. Okay, so we've got our healthy salad. That's what we're gonna make this week, okay? We need an 8-ounce package of sugar snap peas. I love sugar snap peas. We need 1 cup of cherry tomatoes cut in half. So we're going to cut those tomatoes in half. We need 1 cup of grated carrots. Ooh, we get to grate some carrots. We need 1/2 cup of our favorite salad dressing. What's your favorite salad dressing? I think it's probably ranch. That's my guess. We need a medium bowl, and we need a large spoon. What do you think we're going to do with the spoon? I think that we're going to stir it with a spoon. Okay, so our next page that's loading right now is going to be our instructions of how we're going to make our healthy salad, okay? So we're going to take our snap peas and we're going to snap them right in half. Snap them in half. They're going to snap. They're going to make snap noises. I can't wait to do this with you. And then step 2, we're going to put the pea pods, the tomatoes, the carrots into our bowl, and we're going to stir with a spoon. We're going to stir it up, okay? And then what are we going to do? we still have an ingredient that we have to add in, right? We are going to put our salad dressing into the bowl, and we're going to use our spoon and stir it up. See the spoon stirring. And then step number 4, my favorite one, we're going to eat it. Eat our salad. I love salad, guys. Do you like salad? It's pretty healthy. I know a lot of people who like salad. I like to eat it for meals. I like to put different things on salads. You can make all kinds of different salads. There's all kinds of different options. Okay, I have a joke. Ready? Knock, knock. Who's there? Hope. Hope who? Open the door, please. Get it? Open, hoping. Because we're hoping the COVID-19 vaccine will work. Hoping. Okay, I have another joke. When it loads, are you ready? Are you ready to hear my new joke? Okay, I'll tell you. What is a scientist's favorite dog? I don't know. A lab. Get it? Because scientists work in labs. Their favorite dog is a lab. Super funny, those scientists. They have a sense of humor all their own, huh? Okay, so now we're going to have some little activities that we're going to do. We're going to choose the pictures about COVID-19 vaccine, okay? So let's go through this together. So COVID-19 vaccine. Do we need COVID-19 to create a vaccine? Yes, we do. We need that disease so that we can create a vaccine for it. Do we need a song to create our COVID-19 vaccine? No, we don't need a song, but we could write a song later, huh? Right? Do we need a scientist to make a COVID-19 vaccine? Yeah, we do. We need a scientist to help us with that scientific part of making a vaccine, huh? Do we need a smartphone to create a vaccine? No, we don't need a smartphone. There was no smartphone in our story, right? Ooh, what about this vaccine? Do we need a vaccine for COVID-19 vaccine? Yeah, that's what our whole story is about, right? Oh, and do we need a disease for a vaccine? Yeah, and remember, our disease that we're working with right now is the COVID-19 disease. Yeah, so look at that. We've got COVID-19, scientist, vaccine, disease. I wondered if we click on it, if it tells us we're right. Apparently it's not going to, but guess what? We're right. Oh, it does tell us we're right. Yeah. Let's check this one. It's pretty,
Scientist.
pretty slow, huh?
Vaccine. Vaccine. Disease.
Okay, let's double check and make sure the two we chose wrong were wrong.
Song. Song.
Wrong. Smartphone.
Smartphone.
Wrong. Good job, boys and girls. We got those all right. Proud of you. Okay, so what is the paper about? We have COVID-19 vaccine, huge Krispy Kreme store, or the Hero Dog Awards. So this one is actually selected for us, which is kind of a bummer, but it is about COVID-19 vaccine, right? Sorry about having that selected. I couldn't figure out how to get it off. Okay, number 2, who study COVID-19? Scientists, farmers, or housekeepers? Do farmers study COVID-19? No. Housekeepers clean, farmers grow food, scientists They are the ones that study COVID-19. Yes. Where do scientists do many experiments? So where do our scientists do our experiments? Do they do their experiments on playgrounds? Do they do their experiments in factories? Or do they do their experiments in labs? If you said labs, you are correct. Scientists do their experiments in labs. Yes, they do. Because that's where all their equipment is in their labs. They've got all kinds of safety equipment in labs. Um, all of the equipment that they need to run their experiments, it's all done in their labs. It's like, mad scientist laboratory. Okay, what would you like to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be a scientist? Do you want to be an artist? Do you want to be a teacher, like Miss Amy? Do you want to be a dentist? Or do you want to be something else? What does Miss Amy want to be when she grows up? Hmm. I think Miss Amy wants to be a teacher because Miss Amy's kind of
Teacher.
grown up, isn't she? She's kind of grown up. So she's a teacher. She also likes to do art, so she could kind of claim to be an artist. And sometimes as a teacher, she's a scientist because she does experiments and helps you guys learn some science things, right? Yeah, sometimes we all can be a little bit of each, but Miss Amy's a teacher for when she grows up. What do you want to be? I hope you said something. I think it would be fun to be a policeman, or a firefighter, or a nurse. You could be a nurse. Okay, here are our words from our story. Okay, we have disease and we have COVID-19. I'll play these.
Disease.
And COVID-19.
COVID-19.
Okay, all right. That is the end of our News2You article for the week. I will get all of the things ready and we'll do a healthy salad video and I'll see you again soon. Okay, have a good one.